Yes.
कैसे तेरे 8.5
अरे
रीजन दे मुझे तेरे 8.5 का
Why?
Yeah, Sony has had retakes and Carlos Sainz had a Williams.
A lot of champion sports people who've become that part of their life has helped them look at things in a very different way.
He was asked in a few interviews a few years ago that Lewis has 7, do you want to do 7? He's, I don't have anything to prove like that. But honestly, better results. Actually, the
towards the start of
upgrades
the
is not
race.
like not working. They are
Yeah,
working.
definitely. What do you
Top
think was the biggest reason he won this race?
Mentality. Can I just say this weekend is the weekend I have seen Oscar the most vocal. Say it again. Look at me and say it. Don't steal my thunder.
Guys, frame this video, man, somewhere. Alright, guys, we're back with another episode, Austria GP. I think we had a lot of fun. And Hamika, why is that subtle smile today?
Because I had a lot of fun.
Oh, okay. But yeah, I mean, I was going to start with, I think Williams wanted to promote the film, the F1 movie, really well, because of which Carlos probably couldn't start the car.
What?
Yeah,
Where
just
are you getting that from?
just to replicate what Sonny Hayes was trying, right? Wasn't starting the car, then he warmed up the formation lap.
Oh yeah.
It kind of happened, but the execution wasn't perfect because
Yeah.
then things burnt
Because
out.
yeah, Sony Eyes had retakes and Carlos Sainz had a Williams. So that's the difference.
That's a good line for our trailer. Super stuff, Bhumika. But yeah, I mean, that was the start of the entire race.
Yeah, on
And
fire.
yeah, on
The
fire.
race was on fire.
I only wish it would have been as close as it was in the movie, that he actually,
yeah.
was part of the race.
So, guys, for random context, this is the first race that Stalin and I have actually sat together and watched.
Yeah.
Like, this was the first time we watched, and we were both like, oh, you know what? This is exactly like it's in the movie. Now everybody's tires are cold and his are warm and all that crap. And then we just saw him go into the pit lane. And we were like, oh, wait, we are not.
Yeah, that was my
watching the
first
movie.
reaction, and I looked at him again. I'm like, this is the Sonny Hayes moment.
This is reality.
Yeah, this is the same moment. And I've also made a list, right, of things. One was the Colapinto spin.
Oh,
He
yeah.
spun and he went again, dude. That is another part which was so close to what was in the movie.
I
There
think-
was Sainz not starting, just to finish, and then
sure.
the front wing damage. Like
yeah.
people getting very close and be like, oh, is it happening? Is it not happening?
Dude, yeah,
So
it's
for
close.
if there are fans who've just watched the movie and they've come,
हाँ, they're like, wow,
Yeah.
ये तो सच में होता है.
Yeah.
सच में कुछ नहीं होता है. ये सच्चाई नहीं
yeah,
है.
it doesn't happen.
But
guys.
having said that, I'm just gonna continue from that. I was gonna say something that I forgot. This spinning and moving has happened quite many times this weekend. Actually, even in quali, I think Alonso spun once, Max spun once, Hajar spun once,
Which is
and
crazy.
there's this one turn that they all spun on the same turn. They all did a full 360, and they went first. It was Hajar, and he went, and then Max went in again, if I'm not wrong. Or maybe it was the old Max. But yeah, one Red Bull, one Visa, Cash App, and one, they're like all spinning at the same turn.
It's a great way probably to subtly promote the film as well.
Yeah, which we are not getting paid for, by the way.
Yeah.
We are just nice people.
No, we're just talking about
yeah.
how
we're
it
just
was.
nice people.
yeah.
We're like, you know what, F1 की चीजें आ रही हैं तो थोड़ा push कर देते हैं.
And also, if you guys have been watching the previous episodes, you know how we've been rooting for Williams to get back, speaking so many good things about them.
हमने
And
नजर लगा दी.
suddenly, all of a sudden, both the cars, man, what's
Bro,
happening?
नजर लग चुकी है हमारी. मेरी तो पक्का लग गई है. मुझे लगता है it's my fault only because since the day I had written down Williams on my phone and brought it to you, Williams has gone under the water. I don't fucking get it. It's crazy. It's really like we don't know what's happening. Like what's going wrong again. A lot of the other teams have Mercedes engines, like McLaren and Mercedes itself, but you don't see the issue. So is it a car?
I
Is it
just read something very nice on that bit, right? There were a lot of people talking about Max going to Mercedes, and there was this one journalist who wrote that one of the big things for Max to make his decision is the Mercedes engine. He says that the amount of trust that Max would have on a Red Bull engine next year, I think he'd have more trust on a Mercedes engine next year.
Honda.
And that's maybe why he would make a switch to Merc.
Red Bull is partnering with whom for engines this year?
Someone said it's in-house, so I'm not sure what does it mean.
In-house?
Yeah,
Red Bull's making their own engines?
In-house engine, yeah. So
No,
that's
इससे
the
पहले
reason.
Honda was doing
Yeah,
it.
but Honda is not.
No, Honda
not anymore.
left.
Yeah.
Honda left this year only. That's why the
Yeah,
Japanese
so the
GP.
in-house engine is the question mark.
Wait, are you sure about this?
Yeah, because I read it. I just read it.
Oh yeah. Wow. So next year is the first year that Red Bull is gonna make their own engines.
Kute gela tu.
I think if that's the case and I was Max, then I would rather go to a Mercedes because I am like betting on nothing right now. So apparently, I've heard this that now that Red Bull is P4 in the constructors, Max's contract can get up and he can actually say that he can leave because his contract, apparent contract, nobody's actually read the actual contract, but apparently in his contract it's mentioned that if Red Bull is not in the top 3 in the constructors, then he can actually vote to leave. Another thing I noticed about this whole Max leaving agenda is that initially at the starting of the year, I think I told you this on Sunday. Like initially when Max was asked that when are you going, because this Aston and all these rumors have stayed the whole year, right? So when the Aston thing was going on, Max was asked that are you planning to go, what is happening? His answer to all, like he was PR trained in a way to say that my contract with Red Bull is till 2028 and I am going to be driving with Red Bull for 2028, and he seemed very confident about it. But if you see the recent interviews where he's been asked about the move to Mercedes, he's always kept a very diplomatic stance, saying, I'm with Red Bull right now and I'm doing my best. What happens in the future, we'll see. So, and now Toto's also said it, George has also said it. But the question is, Toto has mentioned that his dream team would be Max and George in the Mercedes, right?
Yeah, because he also mentioned that I had Lewis and
Yeah.
Rosberg together. So
Yeah. Then,
for me, there's no problem
But
at
the
all.
question is, where does Kimi go?
Kimi will be probably a reserve driver for
Does
some time.
Kimi go to reserve or does Kimi go to a different team?
No, because there is another really good thing that has come in, right? We were all speaking about Valtteri going to
Cadillac. Yeah.
Recent reports now say that Valtteri is going to Alpine. Because Alpine
Franco
are
Colapinto.
reconsidering.
No, Valtteri is not going to Alpine.
Maybe he
He's
can
just-
be there.
He's being signed in for he's
Yeah,
not signing
meaning
with the
not for
team.
next year. Yeah, not for next
he
year.
doesn't
But
have a
now
seat in
we'll get to
Alpine.
see him this year in a car.
Might.
Yeah. So that's what I was saying. So
Yeah.
maybe he'll drive for Alpine this year. Maybe if they sign him for a longer term, he may not go to a Cadillac. He may remain here. You never know what happens.
Yeah, but if it were Bottas, what would you choose? Would you want to go to a team like Cadillac, who is just like in the dark as to how good they'll be, or do you want to go to an Alpine who you know is not doing well?
I would drive this year if I'm getting a chance.
And make my
Why
choices.
Not? Yeah, and make my choice next year.
Fair. That's
Because
a very
I
fair
think
deal.
the way things are going, Cadillac must have had some kind of word.
Cadillac has a lot of money. They will bring out the best engines.
Yeah, and also I read a lot of journalists, experts saying that a team like that will go for someone with experience than with someone new.
That is why
Which is
they want to
Checo
look
is on
at
the card
Checo
and-
and Bottas.
yeah.
They're also looking at, like, honestly, the amount of names that have come up for Cadillac is like too many. But
Schumacher.
I think they have reduced it to 2 more people except these two. That is Drugovic and
Mick Schumacher?
is Joe Guan Yu.
Yeah, let's just call him Zoe. Yeah.
Zhou, yeah, him. So we'll see, but I think from the looks of it, it's fair to put your trust on a Valtteri and
Yeah.
a Checo, because let's be honest, this year we've realized that Checo was never the problem.
Yeah.
It was always the car.
I mean, yesterday also, on Sunday, after the race, Yuki didn't take the blame on himself. He said, fair, I made a mistake. I took Lance Stroll out. That was my problem. I'm sorry about that. But he said the car wasn't doing enough either. And I can't, don't tell me that I was bad.
Honestly,
so he's
even
also
Max
putting
said
it on
something
the, yeah.
very similar. He was like, in the interview, I'm just explaining like brief because I don't remember word to word. I'm not quoting him. But he said something on the lines of that when जो out हो गया ना उसको पूछा क्या लग रहा है आपको and all of that. So he was like कि you know honestly the car wasn't feeling that good, so मुझे नहीं पता हम कितना आगे वैसे भी जा पाते.
He
So,
said everything just fell apart.
And if Max is saying that, then तो मतलब कुछ, and honestly you can see it in Max's eyes that he knows his championship this year is gone.
Yeah, and
The car is not there. Red Bull apparently is not really gonna like last I read they were like Red Bull के इस साल के जितने भी major upgrades थे वो हो चुके हैं. तो अब तुम क्या करोगे?
समर ब्रेक के बाद कुछ
पता नहीं मैंने कहीं तो पढ़ा that apparently Red Bull के सारे upgrades हो गए but then again I read that last week they had a few upgrades.
Before we went there to upgrades, I was just going to mention about Max's mood. I think my respect for that guy is getting better by the day. I think for just
I'm
I
very
think
happy.
for the way he really
Handled
kept
Kimi.
himself together. Yeah, went to Kimi and it was like his body language spoke volumes.
Dude, honestly, like if this was George, he could have gotten very pissed. But again, he even said in the interview that
Things like this happen.
it's not his fault. Things
Yeah.
like this happen. And Max is like his unofficial father on like the grid. Like Max and Kimi have a great bond. And honestly, when I also saw Max going towards Kimi, I'm like, fuck, is this gonna be another Ocon Max incident? But Ocon Max was a different thing. Ocon made a mistake, like it was not his turn. But this one, it felt like. And Kimi की शक्ल देख के लग रहा था कि he's so sad
gonna cry,
that
like,
and how can you like he was like you could see Max going like what happened. He asked him what happened. Kimi's like he's like oh okay it's fine. He's literally consoling like the Max I know. He hated being second. So if you see a man like that go to not even batting an eyelid or crying about the fact that he got out in turn one, you can tell that he knows he's not gonna win the championship this year.
Yeah, and it's
Like
completely
I have seen
different.
Max get pissed. He's like second is for first losers. That's how he would frame it. So I think you can also see that now, like maybe after being a dad, he's become more like he's realized that the sport is not everything. Like he's always stood on the fact that I'm not here to look for 7 titles, 8 titles. I'm here because I love racing. And he's like he was asked in a few interviews a few years ago that Lewis has 7. Do you want to do 7? He's like I don't have anything to prove like that. I just want to do my own thing and I just want to do all sorts of races. So I think it's finally catching up to him, but which is why I'm more scared. I'm like if this is how he's being, that is he gonna race next year?
I think you mentioned a very important point about him becoming a dad.
Yeah.
I think maybe that also has a lot of effect on how now he's his
Seeing people.
seeing people, composure, because I also have seen that with a lot of sports person, a lot of champion sports people who've become dads coming out and saying that part of their life has helped them look at things in a very different way.
Yeah.
So I think maybe now it's probably that is something that's working for Max. It's just that his car isn't doing well, but if that would complement him,
Yeah.
I think things would have been better for him this year. I was also going to that same point that you mentioned, right, about the upgrades. Ferrari bought some this weekend.
Ferrari had 6 this weekend.
I read on your reels.
Yeah. Guys, if you don't know, then you can follow me because I post a lot of this shit.
Yeah, so I saw it on that.
Yeah.
But is it really the upgrades that is there for Ferrari, or is it the communication? I don't understand, man.
Bro, Fred was also not here this weekend. He had to leave early because of some personal issues, which scares me again. Is how personal are these personal? Is it personal like you don't have a job anymore personal? Or what kind of personal is it? Because,
Just feeling bad for Lewis, like very.
bro, I'm so tired of feeling bad for Lewis and Charles. Like, you feel so bad looking at Charles. The poor man is not even happy being second. He's just like you can see the light in their eyes just die. They
Yeah.
are dead now. Like,
Yeah. With all the hype and everything that was there when
Ferrari से
Lewis
तो
came.
मैं हाँ Ferrari के बारे में I have nothing to say, man. I think they need to sort their shit out.
Do you think it's a team principle that needs a change, or something
No,
more
man.
than that?
Team principal
Hierarchy
गाड़ी थोड़ी
only.
चला रहा है.
Hierarchy only.
Team principal गाड़ी नहीं चला रहा.
गाड़ी
Car-
change कर दो. That's what
car
you're saying.
needs to be proper because you have drivers who are good. It's not that the drivers are not good.
Yeah.
You have your Charles and you have a 7-time
क्या
world
बात है?
champion.
She's saying something good
Yeah.
about Lewis
Of course,
Hamilton.
I have never questioned his driving. He's a great driver. That's why he has 7 championships. How many people can say that? Only one more person except him.
Guys, frame this video, man, somewhere.
But
Look,
the
sorry,
car-
what frame? I'm saying, like, cut this part and we'll send it to her, like, almost every day in the morning. This is what you said about Lewis Hamilton.
I'm a Max fan. I'm not blind.
After how many episodes you were saying good things about Lewis? 7 episodes? 8.
I've always respected him as a driver.
You did, but today I'm listening to some
Yeah.
nice,
Because
good
you're almost
words.
on the verge of tears as to how bad they are. Somebody needs to console you.
We are not on the tears. I'm not on tears, but I'm just saying it feels so good.
You're welcome.
It's a nice
Yeah, I'm
Tuesday.
just being nice today. I'm in a nice mood today, that's why. But yeah, having said that, I think, you know what? I'm just so tired of talking about Ferrari every weekend, and it's the same thing.
Yeah.
It's the same thing. They will qualify decent. But honestly, better results. 3-4.
3-4 is great.
Better
dude.
results, not
Russell
bad.
was trying to get
Actually,
in
the
towards the start
upgrades
of the
is
race.
not like not working. They are
Yeah,
working.
definitely. And also
Something.
the fact that George was trying to get between Charles and
Russell.
Lewis, and Lewis still managed to stay.
Yeah,
in
तो मतलब
front.
pace
So,
है, मतलब
yeah,
6 upgrades
good
have.
job.
Honestly, this year, from all the upgrades, if you see, this is one upgrade that you could actually see the car do a little better, because even like they even like qualified on better timings.
Yeah.
Like they were like P2 and P4, if I'm not
Yeah.
wrong. Yeah. So
I think after McLaren, if you're there on the podium,
huh,
it's a great car.
it's a good thing. Yeah.
It's a good, because 1-2 has
no,
to
no,
be
actually,
McLaren.
they also got lucky because Max got crashed.
We never know.
I mean, yeah, if, but.
I'm saying
just saying
I'm
if,
just saying
if.
look from the car perspective. Ki yaar, you have
हाँ,
a McLaren,
car-wise-
and after McLaren, if your two cars are there on top, they're qualifying
Yeah,
better, they're
then you
doing
have a
better.
good car that
then
weekend.
this year, that is the best you can do.
But also, like, Mercedes also had a decent car. I don't know what happened to Russell. Like, I don't remember him in the race, to be very honest. Like, Russell,
no,
I only.
you have to remember him at the start, no? Ki that's when he was trying to get into Hamilton, and Hamilton and
I
him
don't
were
know.
like.
Honestly, I was so heartbroken in the first, like, in like turn 3. मैं तो देख ही नहीं पाई कुछ. तेको पता ही था. You saw how I was. स्टार्टिंग में यू रियली थिंक मैं जॉर्ज को देखूंगी शुरुआत में?
नहीं नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
मेरे सामने लैंडो बॉटल करने की धीर में है और उसके साइड में शार्ल्स है. यू रियली थिंक आई विल लुक एट जॉर्ज? नो.
Nice. This is a good cut for the reel.
It's true. But another thing, Oscar and Lando.
Wow, that was a great part in the race.
I just want to, like, I just want to say something, if that's okay.
What are you saying?
All
Are you announcing something?
you who kept calling Lando Bottler and all that shit that you keep calling him, I just want to put to your notice that the last 4 times that Lando started, he's actually converted a pole to a win. So shove it up your. Thanks. So yeah. That's all. He's done. He's not bottling anymore.
No, but see,
he's done
that's.
Don't say
let
car
me-
now, please.
I'm not saying anything. If listen to my
Yes.
point. My point being ki that is what Lando is. He needs that. Sometimes there is something that drives you, right? When you take a step back and you lose, there's some juice that you require to put your back again, and that is the juice that he's got now in the last few races when Oscar's been winning.
No, I think
Now,
even his-
last 2 races he's done well. Next race he has
no,
to.
last race he didn't do well. He
Sorry.
He,
Yeah, उसके
he got into Oscar's ass and ruined his own
मतलब
race.
towards the end. But ठीक है, I'm just saying that he was doing well, like a good job. Point being, now he needs this consistency, like Oscar
Yeah.
had. If that comes, then we can say everything that
like
you said.
honestly, I will do my predictions today, and I know I'm gonna be right, and I will talk about it later. But I think after he ruined that thing in Canada, you could see that he took it to bed with him that night. He was like right on time. He was like, "I'm really sorry. It's my fault." And this whole weekend, like he didn't have the car to himself in practice 1, which reminds me, Alex Dune. What the hell? Weekend on their practice 1, they got Alex Dune to start. Alex Dune. I'm sorry, I'm not sure how you
Dune is
pronounce
correct.
it.
D-U-N.
Alex Dune was given the opportunity to do practice 3, and guess where he ended? Guess करना.
First,
उतना भी नहीं.
second.
P4, and
Okay.
Oscar was P3.
Who's Alex Dune? कौन है?
Exactly. He's a rookie. Like he's an F3 or an F2 guy. I think F2.
Are you saying the car is great?
No, Alex, give him some, like, because there was a new guy who sat, I don't know, I forgot his name, but even Ferrari had a rookie
Yeah,
sit.
yeah, some I
because so this year there's a rule that इससे पहले 4 बार होता था, but now every team needs to give their car 6 times to rookies for practice. So now it's gotten more. So this weekend, there was a driver for Ferrari and there was a driver for McLaren who was doing this, and McLaren was Alex Dune. The Ferrari driver ended like P16, P17, and Alex was like, to drive with these people in a track like this and end P4 on your first ever sitting on a Formula One car, I think that's credit deserved, and I would definitely make the special mention because he looks.
Oh, I thought you're comparing him with someone.
No, no, no,
But
no.
great, great,
I
Alex.
mean, that's crazy. I mean,
Yeah, yeah.
congratulations. He was so quick. But moving on, Lando didn't have his car in practice one, so he didn't get to drive. Oscar did. He sat in practice two, he was on the charts, topped it. Practice three, topped it. Qualifying, topped it.
What do you
Topped it.
think was the biggest reason he won this race?
Mentality. He's not a bad driver. His problem is his mind.
One of the things that he mentions that he did this race weekend and he hasn't been doing is listening to his race engineers on performance. He mentioned that
Oh yeah.
almost every race he says that I like to keep it very quiet and I don't want to listen to people, which has been a little stubborn on my part. He said this race I decided to go with the team and take their guidance.
Oh, wow.
Listen from them. And he's saying that is one of the reasons which I think I was able to defend well against Oscar.
Wow. And
Which
also he
is-
defended really well. Like
Yeah, I
that
think apart from Bortoletto, if you had a second driver of the day, it has to go to
Lando.
Norris.
Yeah, Bortoletto too. Honestly, we'll come to that. I have to talk to you about the steak boys. But like I remember that overtake where Oscar went ahead and then Lando didn't give up.
Yeah.
That guy.
A few seconds.
Oscar also locked up right in front of you, remember? But kudos to even McLaren as a team and drivers for even when you're fighting with the thing that the other person shouldn't go into gravel, which
Yeah.
is very mature for drivers because other people didn't do that, if you know what I mean. There are lots of other people that we've seen fighting and they have literally pushed the other guy. Doesn't matter if they're in the same team or not, it doesn't. But for them to be so respectful even while fighting, and they've been open, like even on the radio, they were like, do your own thing. So I think that is also great. That is very mature from the team, and thankfully no papaya rules this time. I'm really good. Let them do their own thing. They are respectful of each other on and off track, and I think that shows that you are not just fighting your teammate. It's great, you have a great teammate, but you're also making sure that that teammate gets points and he's not in the gravel and your whole team gets points. I think that's a very nice mix of drivers that you have there who think of themselves but also the team. So I think that is also one of the reasons why McLaren is doing so well. Their drivers are not after each other. I mean, this year no current driver pairing is after each other also because most of them don't have cars.
Yeah.
And they are like everybody's trying to play the team game, which is great. But
Great.
McLaren is the one who set the example there of that win a championship even after playing a team game. And I think
I just
everybody
want
learned
to
from
see
that.
because see initially when they started you knew that there would be some papaya rules.
I was so happy
initially.
there wasn't.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying
Yeah.
because at the first two races we thought that maybe they're a little dicey about the thing and it was happening ki okay you can't race and you can't do this. Now things have gotten better because now the team realizes that we are the boss this year and there is no other team probably to get close to us, and I feel maybe that is the reason also and an added advantage for the boys in orange that they know that okay chal we are in the front, if these boys want to race let them race. Like it's still okay that there is no one who can
Honestly,
get us
Abhi, they can't
pretty
really
close.
pick a driver also because they are very close in points.
Yeah,
So I think that might happen towards the end.
15-point difference, 15 or 16
Yeah,
point
that is also because Lando crashed last race. If he hadn't, then they if right. I know Himika. If my
But-
mom
but-
had been shit by my dad, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's so funny that every time I say if now, I think of that quote. But yeah, but now it's not. And I think I just want to believe that. See, Lando won Monaco this year. And to win Monaco and your home Grand Prix on the same year is one of the most special things you can do in the sport, right? And coming into Silverstone, which is next week, I have a feeling Lando is very confident and he really
race.
can get it because he's like, since I remember Lando, like since he got in 2017, he's always spoke so highly about Silverstone. As a person who likes him as a driver, I really want that to happen for him.
If Ferrari can take the same upgrades that they've done well into Silverstone,
They are still a little
And
far away from McLaren in terms
maybe
of
maybe
pace.
they are but I'm just saying that I'm just hoping for Lewis to be
On the
somewhere close
podium.
to
Yeah, Lewis still
Lando
hasn't
and
had
all
a
of them.
podium this year, man. I think he also needs that boost in confidence. You
Yeah.
know, I feel I am starting to feel a
Silverstone
little
can be
bad.
that.
Yeah, if you get a
Home.
podium at home, not the win because that's Lando's, but you can
You
have a
never know.
P2. I want
There could
her.
be something that happened to Max, and my prediction came right. I told you something
Bro,
would happen
fuck.
to Red Bull,
I said
and it
I said
happened.
McLaren 1-2 and then I canned it. I was so dumb. I was so correct otherwise, man. But never
Yeah.
mind. I'm happy. It's fine.
You'd
I
still be wrong because I think your third option would have been Max, no?
Of course it was. I will never let go of my maxi. But yeah, so it's a good change in confidence, like change in terms when it comes to Lando. Also, you can see him more free, happier. It's good. And now looking at Oscar, also, I think he's like I loved it. Like so, Oscar when he qualified P3, he also qualified P3 because there was a little moment of a yellow flag because of Pierre at one of the points. That is why both
Yeah, yeah,
Max
yeah.
and Piastri they couldn't complete their laps. That's why Piastri was P3 and Max was P7. Otherwise, they wouldn't have been. So when that happened and they interview hota hai na, so they asked Oscar what are your thoughts, and he just looked at him and he said this whole thing, and then he had made this eye contact and he said, I'm definitely not planning on finishing third tomorrow. And you could see the anger, and this weekend, can I just say, this weekend is the weekend I've seen Oscar the most vocal on the mic. Do you remember what he said about the Alpine?
No.
Oh, you're in for a treat. Zoom into his face when I say this. Oscar said this on the radio after the whole issue with
Oh,
Franco
yeah.
Cola
Now I
Pinto
know, now
and
I know
all.
what he
He's like,
said.
Alpine just finds a way to me over, doesn't? So Oscar being this, like, I am enjoying this slowly opening up for Oscar on the radio, because that's what we get as fans, like radio movement. So
Yeah.
I'm happy that happened. And yeah, we've seen, like, he's also getting a little agitated that Lando is so close, by the way.
Yeah,
So I
definitely.
think it's gonna be a fun
I
one.
think the vibe's going to be very similar between the both. One weekend you'll have Oscar very like,
Yeah.
shit, what's happening, and
Yeah,
you'll
one
have
weekend
anger.
you'll have
He
Lando.
takes his anger and goes to the next weekend, and next
Yeah.
weekend suddenly you'll be like Lando has to defend, and Oscar wins, and then Lando. So I think it's going to be the end is going to be interesting in terms of which of the Orange Army drivers going to win
Fair.
towards the end.
Fair. Yeah. I think it should be but I would really want some other car in the mix, This McLaren versus McLaren is great. I'm not
could be
complaining. We've never
George.
seen this before. I mean, in recent years we've never seen this. But yeah, I really want Red Bull to do something, man. Like
Before Red Bull, it was Williams for me. Abhi suddenly I'm like, Williams कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा है.
Williams ko I think James is just focusing on next
26.
year. Yeah, man. I want to see if they got any upgrades this weekend, man. Williams.
Let's talk about Sauber.
Sauber boys.
Bortoleto,
I just
Nico
want to talk
Hülkenberg.
about one thing. I love how Bortoleto got driver of the day for ending in the same position that he started in, but Nico didn't get one, starting P19 and finishing 9th. So that was funny as fuck.
Yeah, but
Nobody
you just
thought about
everyone likes to give that
Aduki
to
get points.
Yeah.
Even Lawson got his first point,
Yeah.
so that
And
was
also Alonso, after the race, he was with
great. Gabby.
Bortoleto,
Gabby is managed by Alonso's management. You know that, right?
which is, I mean, like there were smiles and they're like, bro, it's okay,
Yes.
and it was a crazy thing because
love
they
the
were going,
bhaichara
yeah,
outside.
like it was like cut to cut, cut
Bro,
to
they
cut,
didn't
cut
give
to
a
cut.
fuck about the race leaders. They're like, that was very F1 movie of them. कि मतलब race leaders के भाड़ में हम अपनी लड़ाई कर रहे हैं. So yeah, again, talking about that, okay, can we? So talking about that, do you think something like that should deserve a penalty, because that did somehow ruin Oscar's race? Like, what is like blue flag is, I know you need to give the place between, like, within the first 3 blue flags that you see, but fighting like this, which could also like Oscar could have damaged his own car if they didn't care because they were so into the fight. So do you think something like this should be penalized for not adhering to blue flags first and fighting your thing, while, because that did ruin Oscar's race a little bit?
Say for example, if the McLarens didn't finish 1-2 and say they weren't on top, I think then there would be a big issue out of it.
Why?
Right? Because obviously they couldn't finish, and then you needed someone to blame, which would be this specific incident, which
couldn't
is
okay.
I'm just giving you
go
like
on.
a context. Now that it's not happened, no one's paying a lot of attention to it, and I think there is a fine line, where the FIA or these people will have to take a call and say that okay, so much is allowed and so much is not allowed. So right now it's gone in that bracket of it's
Gray
allowed.
area.
Yeah, it's
a
like
gray
ठीक है, मतलब it's allowed, like so much
No,
you
but
can do.
what my point is, agar they are like middle teams, if they are like fighting for 7th and 8th, then maybe it doesn't matter as much,
Yeah.
is what my point is.
Acha.
They are leading the race. This is like the race leader and the guy who's fighting with him. You literally ruined the guy behind you's chances because you were fighting. So I mean, do you think things like that should be penalized, or do you think ki it's fine, let them race? Because
them race.
it did ruin.
I
a
think it
little bit-
depends
It
from
did
time to
ruin
time.
like even
See,
though I'm not an
matlab,
Oscar fan,
yeah.
it did ruin a little bit of his race because he got very annoyed.
But I think these are those things in the sport, na, which you can't put a, you know,
yeah,
like
you
a,
can't really
yeah,
put a point on it कि ये
because
गलत
the
है, ये सही
sport
है.
is
It's
like
gray
that.
area only. Yeah, fair.
Because you
No,
come, you get lapped,
hence,
and then keeps happening.
hence
and
I'm asking
happening.
for opinions. Do you think that it should be like like those rules should be slightly more harsher, or what? That's my question.
We'll just try and look at the points table, Amika. What do you think?
216, 2-1,
Yeah,
153.
yeah.
उसके बाद रसल है ना 140 some पे.
155 Max was Verstappen.
Yes.
So he is there.
Yeah,
on the
you
third
can't
spot.
get him out.
Then there is
Russell.
Russell at 146.
I was right about my first 4 numbers.
Yeah, which is great. Because I sent
This
sent
is
this
when
to you,
you
no?
put a
I sent it to her on WhatsApp before she came.
Say it again. Say it again. Look at me and say it. Don't steal my thunder. This is where you add like this.
Okay.
Thank you.
And you can add that say it again wala line in this also.
No.
Feels like she's picking a fight on me.
No, don't do that.
So guys, we were going to discuss about the standings in the drivers championship, right?
Oscar, Lando, Max, George, Charles, Kimi.
Wrong.
Who says no points? Huh?
Wrong.
After
After
Charles,
Charles,
who
you're
is-
wrong.
Oh yeah, okay. Then after Charles, who is it? कौन है जिसने points? It's not Albon.
चल ना फोन पे तो भेजा है, देख ले जल्दी.
Is it Albon?
No.
Wait.
It's my man Lewis Hamilton, dude.
Lewis has no points
Pick.
this season.
What do you mean he doesn't have points? He's been finishing 3-4. They've been doing 4-5. They've
Okay.
doing
I was gonna
6
say
also.
Lewis, but I
7
had a
also
feeling.
finish.
I kept thinking podium. Sorry यार. Lewis, फिर किमी होगा, है ना? फिर किमी है. किमी के बाद एल्बॉन है. Oh wow! और कितने बचे? 2 बचे हैं ना? Hulkenberg? No, Hulkenberg is P10, is it? Who's P9? Wait. Can't be Yuki. McLarens are gone. Russell, Max Mercedes is gone. Red Bull Yuki नहीं हो सकता. Ferrari भी gone है. Sauber, Albon, Carlos. कौन है फिर? P9. Oh wait!
Esteban
Is it
Ocon.
Hazard?
Esteban Ocon.
Ocon.
She looked down to check on her phone, by the
I
way.
got a message just by the way. He's so jealous of the fact that I know a
Why
lot.
would I be jealous, dude?
Fucking hate.
Because you know a lot, you're here. You know that, right? Why would I be jealous on that?
I don't know. You keep you shooting on me like this whenever I get something right.
Because you're
It's like
shitting on my driver.
There's only one time where I feel like I know my
So
shit.
give
and
me,
that's
give me.
F1.
There's this very interesting part that we do after every episode is where we rate and kind of rate the race, and we
time
have to
for race
guess.
rating.
Yeah, we have to guess as to what the other person must have given it.
We should
So
have music here. Like race ratings.
sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Start. I'll start on mine. I'll write how much I think you
So
must have
just
given.
want to know while we are giving out numbers, I'm just gonna repeat the rules. The thing is, each of us gives a pointer as to how we found the race as per ours, how I think how much he would rate the race and how much he thinks I would rate the race. This could be based on anything, based on what we liked, what we didn't like, if our driver was there. Like there is no base to this कि oh ऐसा होने पे he would give this is just pure intuition of how much I think how I think Stalin found the race and how he thinks I found the race. Mine is done. Yeah, look away. This is what I think his number is. Okay, I would give it 8.5.
Yes! Got it right, bitches!
You said 8.5?
Yes!
You said 8.5?
Yes!
Show me.
Said
No
eight.
way he said 8.5. Did he say 8.5? Off. Not bad. Hey, it just says 8s. Why does it say 8s?
8.5,
Where
dude.
is the point? It's 85. Why
Come
do
on,
you give 85?
yeah.
There's no point there, just by the way. But give yours.
Yes! Yes! I would also give it a 8.5.
Hut! कैसे तेरे 8.5? रीजन दे मुझे तेरे 8.5 का.
Why
नहीं, गलत बात है
I
ये.
want to give it 8.5.
Cheating करता है ये.
कैसे cheating है यार?
Wow. Okay, now, okay.
एक बात तो जीतने दे यार.
In the scoreboard, Stan is 1-0, guys. Okay, finally one of us has guessed the other. He can finally see it. Yeah, he's finally got it. Okay, guys,
This is
let's
my
go.
sports
I
aggression.
was actually,
Sorry, it's just come out here.
I was actually gonna go for a 6, but I had a feeling he gave a 6, so I said 8.5. Actually, no, you know what? It was a decent race. A lot
Yeah,
should
it was
happen.
good,
A lot
dude.
should happen. Yeah, I wrote 7 for you for some reason because I was like,
I like
kya
how she's
pata?
justifying now for me also. Kar le.
No, I wrote 7 for you because I thought you will be like,
No,
कि-
the fact that you justify that it was a good race.
no, it was a good race. Yeah, makes sense.
Okay,
Makes,
next.
बीच में थोड़ा boring हो गया था, but it's okay.
Yeah, but then it was still
याद
like
है हम
यार,
जब zone out हो गए थे थोड़ा.
but it's still like McLaren.
Yeah,
वो
it
हो रहा
panned
था.
out, and
Yeah.
this all the fights in the middle was fun. Yeah.
It was good. What about the predictions?
For next weekend,
Silverstone.
Landon Norris P1.
I would say Lewis Hamilton P3.
Okay. Williams are not gonna get points because I don't think they're bringing an upgrade next week anyway. So
Nico again in
Point
the top
finish.
8.
top 8. Nice. 1000 points.
One of the Mercedes drivers.
One नहीं number दो.
अरे यार अभी वन ऑफ कर सकते हैं यार.
यार 2 ही गाड़ियां हैं क्या वन ऑफ एक नाम बता देना वही तो प्रेडिक्शन का फायदा है.
You know what?
No.
I think Williams will be back.
On points?
Yeah, on
Okay.
points.
Okay. I would
Not only
I,
Williams, I think
I really would love for that to
Albon
happen.
will be back.
Albon will be on points.
Yeah, on points.
In points. Okay. My final prediction will be. I have a feeling Max will be on the podium. I want him. It's more a hope than a prediction, but I really want to see Mad Max. Man, I miss him.
See, I think with Max now, actually, yeah, he can
Like
be
Red
at
Bull needs to.
Silverstone.
Red Bull stop being a Ferrari. You're better than that.
बस मेरे इतने हैं, 3.
I think.
I've
3
given
नहीं
3,
4
4
5
I've
कर
given,
दिए
ना?
हमने हाँ 4 करे हमने.
I think guys, I want to say something like Max will crash, but I don't know.
Don't say it.
Yeah,
please.
not for. Yeah, last time I said कि he will get a DNF. उसको आ गया.
Yeah, Max got a DNF after 24 races, so good on you. Good job. At 24 or 34, something. 30, 34, something. Wow, good job. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. We kind of
Yeah.
covered everything we had to. And thank you for everyone who keep watching all our reels, all our posts, all our podcast videos, all the shit that we talk. And we are glad to have you on the podcast with us somewhere through comments, likes, shares, which you should do more often. Yes, I'm looking at you. Yeah, you. Don't look behind you. Yes, you. So yeah, I'll see you guys next weekend, and we'll all see you next weekend after the Silverstone Grand Prix. And that's pretty much it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You know the drill, and we'll see you
Soon.
next weekend.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you guys. Thank you.